Guys, Roblox! This is the second time this has happened to me. Yeah, I'm gonna show you who I'm talking to. Guys, here. I'm talking to one of my friends, one of my best friends, Sonic Source 280, link in the description, and Luca G74, also link in the description. Yeah, this is the second time I got, like, a warning. The last time, I'll show the image later. But, okay, let me read this to you. Warning! Our content models have determined that your behavior at Roblox has been in violation of our terms of service. We will terminate your account if you don't obey the rules. Reason. Inappropriate. One second. Watch this. Oh God! Oh God! Please no! 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 I'm sorry for Europe, guys, but here, let's just do this. Ba 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 da. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Okay, that's the video, guys. I'm sorry for that yelling and obnoxiousness, but just like Roblox, get your reasoning right. What's inappropriate about making a group shirt that I'm clearly still wearing till this day? And Roblox, I give up on you. I am like, next time this happens, and my account gets terminated, I will sue you, Roblox. Just kidding, I wish I could, but I will be. I know. I do have a lawyer, and yes, yeah. I know. Yeah, I know. Good night, Knuckles. The reason why is because it's a racist joke. Anyways, guys, that's the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. But